Hello, what is good? So, I am going to be talking about the Glade spray, and this is one of the new ones that I came across, and it's the warm flannel embrace with fern, sandalwood, and first of all, I love the design of it. Can is blue with a brown top, and I know some people love to contrast with the blue and brown, wearing outfits. And I love that it has the flannel in the heart and the sandalwood and fern. I really thought this can was really cool. When I first came across this was when I was in El Paso visiting family with my mother, and sometimes if you ever come across people that want to know what something smells like and they spray it and the owl, and the whole owl ends up smelling like all kind of different sprays or whatever. But this is the one that caught our attention, and so we were spraying in the hole. We were spraying it down the aisle, and my mom was like, "Wait a minute, we got to spray it again." And we was like, "Oh my goodness, oh my gosh, like this smells amazing." If you want to know what it smells like, it literally smells like a man's cologne. Like, I'm not even joking. It smells like a cologne rather than a spray. A spray that tries to cover up something, or like if you want to spray throughout the house or in the bathroom, and it kind of gives it that. I don't know how to explain it, like a forced cover up smell. Like it just doesn't smell natural. It kind of smells artificial. Like it has a smell to it, but it doesn't smell good or natural. It's trying too hard to cover up the scent or the smell, whatever. But this one, oh man, this smells amazing. Like, me and my mom was like, okay, yes, we really have to hurry up and get it in. It says limited edition, meaning I don't know how long it's going to last. But like I said, I was in El Paso, I think it was last year in September. So we hurried up and purchased this. This smells amazing. And I like another one of Glade, which is, I think it's the Cashmere Woods. I like that one too. But this one right here, this is the winner right here. I love it. Like I said before, it smells like cologne. Like, it's crazy. But yeah, we've used a good amount of it. Like sometimes you just want to have a nice scent in your house, and just kind of just spray it around in the air. And it's not that hard, just a regular, just press your finger on it and it comes out. And you just get that beautiful smell. Like it makes you just float. This is actually the first spray that came across that where it smells like cologne rather than a spray that you're trying to get your house to be fresh, or you want to cover up a scent or something, or you just like your home smelling good, smelling fresh, whatnot. I think it has a plug-in as well, which I really need to consider on getting, because this smells amazing. This is probably like one of my favorite sprays, honestly. That's how good this spray is. Like, I know some sprays, it has that natural smell to it too. I can't really think of the name of it, but because this one's been on my mind. Like, literally, if I just want a quick good smell from this, I literally spray this, upward up in the house, and I believe I use this on my book bag as well. Like, yeah, that's how serious this smell is, how good it smells. But you can see, who made it. It's by, like I said, I believe, yeah, it does have a plug-in. Candle, I believe it has a candle one as well. Let's go ahead and get you to spray, the candle, the plug-in, all that. Now your home smelling good and fresh and lovely. It's good for I guess, you know, since it's like warm flannel embrace, it kind of smells good, and like kind of like in the winter time or the fall time, or you can have this in the summertime as well, or the springtime. Like, I mean, in my opinion, I mean, it'll smell good to me year round, but you know, they have specific smells and scents, you know, for the seasons. But I love this one. So if you come across this, go ahead and pick you up a bottle, or you know, spray a little bit on down that aisle and see for yourself what I mean.